everyone, it is Skylar, and today I'm going to be doing something that is actually not a clothing unboxing. As you can see, I have this big boy ass box. Let me show you this box. Can you understand how big it is? Okay, ready? You're gonna see the thickness of it too. Look at that. Jesus Christ. What is in the box? It is a vanity. I wanted a vanity for a very long time. They are very cute, and I was able to get an extremely cute one for a very, very massively good price. The vanity that I got usually runs for about like $140. However, I got it for like $89, and I got it for such a cheap price because the person said that like the packaging for it was damaged. As you can see, there is a hole that's exposing the white stuff that's supposed to protect the vanity. Like, this isn't the actual vanity, it's just protection or whatever. But yeah, as long as the vanity inside is fine, I don't really care. So I saved like around $60 or so just because the packaging is damaged. That's fine with me. I don't really give a shit as long as everything inside is fine. That is good for me. So I'm going to attempt to put this together myself. I don't usually do stuff like this, but I'll see. I hope it looks decent and I'm able to even put it together because I'm not smart. I have 2 screwdrivers. I hope one of them works. I also have my old hair cutting scissors because I got new ones because these ones are shit. Also, I have, look at this boy. Can I give you a close-up of the boy? Wow. Check this out. I got this at like a thrift store. It was like less than $5, and I thought that I could use this for like my everyday makeup stuff because it's like a pretty decent size. Like, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I still need to like clean it out because it's very new. I just got it. But yeah, I thought that this would go really good with my vanity because it looks really cute. And also, I just have it here right now because I thought I could put like any nuts and bolts in here while I'm putting it together. So I'm gonna try to put this together on my bed. If I have to move to the floor, then I will, but I would really like to not do that. And before I get actually into the box and anything, I would like to thank Alan so very, very much because without him, I would not have been able to get this very nice vanity. And I also got one more thing that I was able to get because of him that I will show in another video. So let's open it. Okay, here's my instructions, I guess, but this is what the vanity is supposed to look like. So it has 5 drawers, and it even comes with its own little stool and like that nice little mirror. It's going to be cute, my boys. Okay. Oh, we did it. Oh my god. That took way longer than it should have. I need tea. Hold on. That was a f***ing workout. Look at all this white shit on my bed. Ooh, that's lewd. Ooh, yes. It doesn't look broken so far. Oh, pretty. Oh, pretty. I was worried the mirror or something might be cracked because I was like, okay, this packaging is cracked. I wouldn't be surprised if the mirror was too, but it looks just fine. I'm exhausted already. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to put this together. I'm way too stupid. Whoa. Wow. Oh, you can see my really big light. Let me show you this part of the top. Look at how pretty that is. I love the little detailing. So we have the mirror. I'm going to put him in a safe part of my bed. I will put you right there. Be good. What is this? We have, oh, it's a little dirty, but okay, I can fix it. We got this thing. I think it goes on the side of the mirror part. You can see it's a little dirty right there, but I'm sure I can get that off. There's that. I guess this is another one. This is also a bit dirty. Not a huge deal. I'll work it out. What else we got? These look like the little legs for it. Cool. Oh, nice. It comes with like little stoppers on the bottom of them too. Okay, next. More legs. What is that? Okay. Okay, this looks like it's going to be one of the drawers, and it looks like it's going to be the drawers that actually sit on the vanity. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Check out this drawer. That's a pretty nice drawer. Check out how they put, that's not the way that's supposed to go. I'll fix it though. You know, maybe I actually did this so it wouldn't like break off inside. That actually makes sense. So it won't like scrape on anything else. Okay, that's understandable. Next. Ooh, what's that? That looks pretty. Okay, here is the stool, or at least like the top of the stool. I don't know what that part is. Ooh, I'm gonna make sure to not lose these. Okay, we have these little boys. I'm guessing it goes somewhere on the stool. I don't know where, but we'll figure it out. Look at these little details on the stool. So pretty. So that's what like the front of the stool looks like, and then there's like a little pattern on the top of it. So cute. These look like it's going to be the legs for the stool. What's that? These are probably going to be all my little nuts and bolts. I'll put them in my little thing down there. More legs. Now I gotta get this big boy out. Okay. Okay, we did it. This is obviously the table part. Now I gotta put it together. This is gonna be a bitch. Oh my god. Okay, let me look at my instructions. Warning, part live. Okay, I need to move things. Okay, now what? I'm going to take a leg and do the thing. This is what it looks like. Wow. Now what do I have to do? Now I gotta go get the mirror part. I'm working with this and these boys. Done. Ooh. Don't use the drawers. Wow, cute. Oh, I just gotta clean that up. Yeah, that's only like dirt that's exposed. What is the next part? Now I gotta put the mirror on. This will be fun. Wow, I can do that and stuff. You can see my tripod. What's next? And I also just noticed in like the back of the mirror. So it looks like if the mirror would break, it seems like they would be able to just send you the whole new mirror as a replacement, because you can just take this mirror out because they got these little screws. So that's really cool. You wouldn't have to get like a whole new vanity. They'll just send you the mirror. So that's nice. Okay, I have moved to this location because I'm going to now put on the mirror part to like the table part. By the way, that's just my mic. Ignore that. Okay, let's do it. I need to unscrew these and put them in the correct way, actually. See, this is what I'm working with, because I'm not opening anything with that, because it's on the inside. So I think my plan is going to be that I'm going to put my vanity over where my other dresser thing used to be, because I sort of arranged my room for this vanity. So I have a whole mess with what used to be on my dresser. That's now going to be like either inside the vanity or on the vanity. Yeah, I'm going to do that now. Here is the finished vanity. I actually noticed that I completely forgot to put the stool together, but I did that off camera. But I will show you what it looks like up close now. Oh, before I get into this, my laptop is there, so I can put my microphone right there. Just ignore the microphone and the laptop. Also, I have a little lamp in the corner right there, but that's there for a reason. It's not always going to be there. I'm just putting it there for this video, so ignore that also. Let me show you what it looks like up close then. Here is that nice detailing on the top. Here's what the table part looks like up close. So let me show you what I got going on. So I got the same place I got this thing at, which is a lot like bigger than I thought it would be for my vanity, but it's okay, whatever. All it is, it's actually just like a little light. So let me show you. That's why I brought the lamp over, because it has like a little outlet in there. So I can turn it on like that. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, doesn't it look nice? It goes so well with it, so cute. I thought having like a little light with my vanity would be really nice. So let me turn that off now because I got enough lighting. Right next to it, I put my heart-shaped glasses, at least my pink ones, because I think what I want to do is I want to go with like a white and pink theme. So I decided to put my pink heart-shaped glasses there because, I don't know, makes it more Nymphet, more me. I like them. On the mirror, I just put like these small little flower things. It would have been better if I had like another one to match over there. But yeah, I'm working with what I got right now. Then over here, I have this embroidered case thing. I don't know what to call it. And in there, I just have like my sleeping pills and pain relievers. Then I have this flower container thing. Really cute, nice soft pink. Then inside, I have my small little rubber bands. Then what I put in my cute little basket are like my hairpin things. And then on the side of it, I just put my other hairpins, just the regular ones. Then inside of here, I'm gonna pull it out this way actually, because I still couldn't make these stay on very well. So let's see what's in here, because I forget. So I have like, I don't even know, like hair things that I use often, I guess you would say. Then over here, I put my earrings in that and necklaces in that. I should probably get a better way to store my jewelry because this probably isn't the best way, but that's what I'm doing for now. Then over here in this one, I have, I put my setting spray in this one because I wasn't able to fit where I put my everyday makeup, but yeah. Then I have like, I don't know, my cutting stuff. So I got my scissors, I have a razor in here, and then I have nail clipper. Then in this bottom part, I have all of my hair ties. I have so many freaking hair ties, so I just dedicated a whole drawer to it. I should probably get rid of some, but you know, they snap and whatever, so I just like to keep a lot. Then in this middle one, I have my everyday use makeup, and I actually just noticed that these things I thought were for the stool for some reason. I don't know why, but they're actually just like a separator. So you can put it in this and you can separate everything really nice. So what I did is I put my like base makeup in this one. I have all my lipstick, lip gloss in that. Eye stuff in that. So I got my eyeliner and my mascara. And what's that? That's just like the powdery stuff. So I have blush, I have eyeshadow, more eyeshadow. That's like a really gross thing I use to like wipe off excess lipstick or whatever. Yeah, I should probably wash that, sorry. Then in this last one, I have like face stuff, like acne stuff. So I got these alcohol burny things. I have that. And then I have stuff that was prescribed for me. Then down at the bottom, I just put stuff that I don't really use every day. So I have like makeup, but like not makeup that I use often. Over there, that's basically like stuff I didn't want to put on top of my vanity because it didn't look good enough. So I put it under it. So I have my hairspray and lotion, hair things. That's just a spray can of water because when I put water in my hair, it gets nice and wavy. Then I forget what I put in this box, but it's a really cute box. Let me show you. Ooh, look how nice. It has butterflies and flowers, my two favorite things. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is just like ribbons and stuff. I also have like hair things that I don't use every day, but I like them. So that's what's in there. I forget what I put in these. Two cute things. Let's start with this one. So I put like headband stuff in there. I even have like a hair curler that I don't know if I will really use, but I have it. I thought I would use it for my bangs, but I think it's too big and it makes my bangs too huge. What is in the smaller one? Okay, this is like, I don't know, health care things. So I got more nail clippers. I have more razors in there. I have whatever this thing is called. I forget. Yeah. Let me give you a better like look of the stool because I didn't properly show it. Ooh, how nice. So cute. So you can see the nice detailing on the front of it. You got that stuff on the plushy part. But yeah, I feel like everything's a really nice height too. Like it's not too small for me, it's not too big, it is perfect. I guess that is it. So once again, I want to thank Ellen so very, very much for enabling me to get things that I don't really need, but I actually need, like my vanity. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!